Hi, welcome to the Thrifty Moms DIY. Today we're going to go over how to rust-proof metal. It's real quick and easy. You usually should have some of the tools in your garage. If you don't, cost maybe $5. Super simple. Check it out.
Here's what you'll need: rust-proofing metal paint and also a fine grit sandpaper. To get started, I take my fine grit sandpaper and lightly sand the areas that have rust that's showing. I also sand the areas where paint might be chipping and things could start to rust in the future as well. Once everything is sanded down, I go ahead and start spray painting the metal. I use short bursts of spray paint so I don't get any drips or I don't get too heavy of an application where I really need it kind of light. In this case, it's a black metal piece, so I can be pretty liberal with the spray paint, but I still don't want any paint to drip or to go anywhere where I don't want it to go. Once that coat is dry, I go ahead and apply a second coat just to make sure that I didn't miss any areas. This is something that, again, short bursts, and just go around the area very lightly to make sure you get everything and, again, not have the paint drip. Here you can see the before and after. It really is quite a difference. It saves money, it's very cheap to do, less than $10, anywhere between 5 and 10, and it just keeps your products lasting longer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and share to see more from the Thrifty Moms DIY.